Hello Rayan,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine, thank you for asking. Oh Rayan, what is your purpose of coming to Garja Youth Club?
Please repeat. I cannot understand.
Okay, I am saying that why you are here.
Because my English is very weak, so I learn English with you. Because English is very weak.
Okay, so your English is weak and you want to improve your English.
Yes.
So I am starting a course or training for spoken English.
Yeah.
So for this I have to assess your previous condition. So I am going to take a short test. You can say assessment of your current condition. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Rayan Ali. I am a student of MCCS college. I complete my paper first year. So I suggest you that you can learn me English because English demand is very. So
Hi.
I can learn English.
Okay. So what is your daily routine?
My daily routine, I wake up 8 o'clock and then I am free because I am not doing work. So I come here 9 o'clock and mm, I go 2 o'clock.
Okay, so this is the first day of Rayan Ali and you can see his condition. He is not pronouncing the words properly. So I will work on his weaknesses and I will teach him how to improve spoken English in a better way. Thank you, Rayan.
Thank you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, same to you.
Okay.